Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. I will show you in this one how to actually rewrite the values of custom fields from aiomatic, and this will be also possible with custom taxonomies, but I will show the custom fields in this video. Aiomatic is able now to also rewrite existing custom fields for posts, and this is possible in the AI content editor menu. You will be able to go to editing template manager, scroll down, post automatic custom fields, custom taxonomies options, and enable it. In the prompt you can set the custom field name you want to edit and write the prompt that you need. I wrote this one, rewrite this into Portuguese. So this is a big P. Don't act as a virtual assistant, reply only with the edited text. And here I wrote the custom field name inside of this format. So this format will extract the value, the current value of the custom field that you enter here. So %, exclamation mark, %, will actually extract the value of this custom field name which you included here, and this will be able to allow the plugin to rewrite this custom field. So click save, and let me demonstrate this. Go to posts, add new, test post, and let me create the custom field name that we used, and this is a testing custom field in WordPress. Okay, now let's publish it. And we published it. It is saved. Let me show it. And now we can process it manually. You can also process multiple posts automatically, but I will process this in aiomatic manually, and processing is done. Este è un campo personalizado de teste no WordPress. Okay, so this actually edited our custom field value, and it actually translated it to Spanish. So you can do this change also in the AI content editor. You can do it on existing posts, in multiple existing posts. So you can select here which posts you want to edit, and afterwards save settings. And after you saved it, click here run post editing, and the plugin will edit multiple posts automatically using this. Or you can do this for each automatically published post. So if you have posts published, you can do this automatically using the automatic content editing, and it will be editing the custom field values that you enter here. If you don't have a custom field value, you should also specify here in the prompt that if the custom field, if the text is not available, and do add some instructions to the AI what should it do in this case. So add this in the prompt also for cases when this custom field value is not available for posts. Okay, so this is all. Aiomatic is discounted at the moment. It is only $45. Link in this video's description. Thanks for watching. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.